welcome to my channel. My name's Tina, and I am going to tell you about how you too can get 1,000 subscribers in a month. That's right, I'm going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to tell you how you too can get 10,000 views on one video, like immediately. It's going to be amazing. Ignore the fact that my stats show that I have achieved none of those things. Have you too seen these videos? People who have no subs and no views out there saying they can get you to these levels by following 4 easy steps. And there are 4 steps that most of us know all about. Do your tags, do your share on social media, and they never say which social media to share it on, just social media. Make sure you do a good thumbnail, and 5, make sure your title is searchable. All of that is good advice. But let's face it, all of us think we're close to doing that. So what the hell? I don't know, I keep seeing these videos and I'm just like, oh my gosh. I too can do one of these videos and tell you all about how you can make your channel just amazing, super fast, super quick, and get tons of clicks. And I think that is the whole point of those, is that they're like trying to get 10,000 views off of these how to get 10,000 views videos. I don't think it works. So what I'm going to tell you is, if you're a beauty person, because I don't know anything about the other niches. I don't know anything about how to do a gaming channel. If you want to learn how to do a gaming channel, go talk to a gaming person. If you want to do a beauty channel, go talk to a beauty person. If you need to do tech, dude, you got props from me because I have no idea what you need to do. Have a brain that knows tech. How about that? That's what you need to do. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is, if you're just starting, and this is going to be towards beauty people because I did beauty and that is what I know. First thing you need to know is it's not going to be easy or quick, most likely, unless you get really lucky somehow. It's just not. Unfortunately, you're not going to have like 10,000 views on one video overnight. I'm sorry, I wish I could tell you different. It's just not gonna happen. What you're gonna have to do is learn to create content, learn to interact with your audience and talk to the camera, something I still struggle with. No doubt about it. I still struggle with it, which is probably why I don't have a huge YouTube channel. Number 2, when you say share on social media, share on social media where you have some sort of people who like you. Like, seriously, it does you no good to share on social media if nobody follows you or watches your stuff there. So make sure that if you're posting on Instagram, you're actually building a following on Instagram, or you're not gonna get views from there. Make sure if you're posting on Facebook, you already have a following on Facebook. Or what I do is I've went and found Facebook groups that are in my niche, so beauty guru or beauty channel or beauty whatever, YouTube groups, and I go to those and I share my videos there, and I work with other people to get my videos out there. We're all in this together, so that you should know, which brings me to my next suggestion for building your channel. Especially if you're in the beauty community, consider doing some collabs with somebody that you're friends with. That's my suggestion. I don't suggest you just like go out and find somebody who's a whole bunch bigger than you and be like, hey, I want to do a collab with you. I don't think that's going to work though. I don't think you're going to get Jeffree Star to show up at your house. But what you can do is you can work with people who are in the same community you are, who are also trying to build their channels, who have, you know, some subs of their own, and then you're sharing subs and they're getting to see new content. And that's awesome. So support each other, do collabs, work together, and work with people you know, because when you're working with people you don't know, they ghost on you, just disappear, they flake out, they suddenly get some idea in their little head, and that's it, they're gone. If you're working with somebody you actually watch and know, that you've talked to in these Facebook groups or in a Read It group or whatever, you're going to have much more success with it and have a much better collab that works out so much better and everybody's happy. And that is what you want from a good collab. Lastly, take a look at your channel critically. And if you can't do that, have somebody else, make sure before you do that you can take what they're going to tell you. If they say you need to learn to talk to the camera better, I don't understand you, you're not speaking clearly enough, you need a mic, I get that a lot. Oh, you need a better camera, hear that too. Ignore all that crap. You don't need any of those things. If you want to start a YouTube channel and you have an iPhone, this is my iPhone 6 Plus, use it. Use it. I'm using my iPad right now. It's the only thing I own to film with. It's my iPad. I do all my editing, all my thumbnail work, everything. Literally everything, start to finish, is from my iPad. Use what you have. Go with what you have, because you don't know if you're gonna like doing YouTube until you do YouTube. Hopefully that's gonna save somebody some money. I don't understand that people are like, I need to go buy X, Y, and Z before I can start my channel. No, you don't. All you need is a $5 light bulb on a little thingy with the plug-in, you know, take some tinfoil, put it around it, call it good, aim it yourself, figure out how to set it up, use books or whatever. I actually still to this day am using a jewelry stand to hold my iPad up. It is the best thing I found and it works really well. So that's what I use. Use what you have. Be inventive. Be creative. You do not have to have a bunch of money or a bunch of equipment to start a YouTube channel. Be aware though, if you start a beauty channel, you're going to have a closet full of crap you didn't even know you wanted. Unfortunately, that's true. You're going to end up with that because you're going to do what I did, which is get sucked into this idea that you need to buy things in order to keep your channel going. And that isn't really true either, but it feels like it, so you do. If you can figure out how to stay out of that one, let me know. That is a thing, it's a real thing, and for some people it becomes a true addiction, so try to stay away from that. You do not need to spend a ton of money on product. Just use your talent, your hands, your friends. Do makeup on your little brother, your little sister, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever. Just don't be scared. Just go do it. If you want to start a channel, the best way to do that is do it. Just do it. Don't stop. Just do it. Don't think about all the things you don't know how to do. Just do it. Oh, last thing. Don't do sub for sub. Don't do it. If you're new to YouTube and don't know what that is, that's when people ask you, hey, sub me and I'll sub you back. Sounds great. They will never look at your channel again. And without watches, those empty subs will drag your channel down because YouTube looks at interaction. So if you have, all right, say you have 200 subs, which is where I'm at, and you get 50, 60 watches, sometimes more, sometimes less, then you're probably going to get every now and then a video that pops up with several hundred views because they put it with somebody else's and now it's getting out there more. And that is how you grow. If you do sub for sub, you can have 1,000 views or 1,000 subs and way less views than I do. I've seen it happen all the time. People have 1,000 subs and maybe 25 views and stuff, and it's because they're doing sub for sub and or whatever. Somehow they've got caught up in that because otherwise you're going to have more views than that. It's hard. I know that. It's hard getting past and not wanting to do sub for sub because you're like, man, these people who have more subscribers are getting more views and they're getting promoted more by YouTube and YouTube likes them better. Well, YouTube likes them better because people watching like them better because people watching them are actually watching them. This is why sub for sub kills your channel. So don't do it. Don't get sucked into it. It's really hard not to. Only subscribe to channels you like and only have people subscribe to your channel who like your content. That is the best way to do it. And then find places to share your videos that like-minded people who are looking for those videos can find them. YouTube is, people who do YouTube watch YouTube. And then you're gonna pick up people from them who don't watch YouTube, or no, who watch YouTube but don't do YouTube. That's how it kind of works, is you're sort of going through and you're networking with people and you're finding people you like and then you're sort of sharing together and then you share your guys' stuff together and you pick up a few subs from them and then you work with a niche or a Facebook group and you pick up a few subs there. That's how it really works best and how you really get views. People ask all the time, how do I get subs? How do I get views? Well, it's not easy unless you get really lucky. And from what I've seen, buying and promoting your videos on Facebook do no good. Neither does buying and promoting your videos through these super shady, illegal YouTube people. Sub for sub and buying views is illegal. Keep that in mind. Alright, I hope you like this video. I have a very satirical sense of humor, and that was what the beginning of this was. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!